Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to use Klarna's one-time card to make payments on Amazon for a smoother shopping experience. First, open the Klarna app on your phone and log in. Once logged in, go to the one-time card section, usually found under My Klarna. Select Create New One-Time Card and enter the total amount you plan to spend on Amazon. Klarna will generate a virtual card with that limit. Now, after creating the card, Klarna will provide you with a virtual card number, expiration date, and a security code. Now, you will need to copy these details to use on Amazon. Now, go to Amazon, add items to your cart, and during checkout, select Add a new payment method. Enter the virtual card details you copied from Klarna. Once your payment is processed, Klarna will break down the payment into manageable installments. Now, you can enjoy your purchase while paying over time. And that is how you use Klarna's one-time card to make payments on Amazon. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.